Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go.
Direct plant expenses are costs that can be directly traced to the production of goods or services. These costs vary directly with production levels. Examples of direct expenses includes the cost of raw materials that go directly into the production of the product, e.g. steel for car manufacturing, wood for furniture. Wages paid to workers who are directly involved in production, such as assembly line workers, machinists, or operators. The cost of operating specific machines used in production, such as fuel or electricity for heavy machinery. These costs are essential for calculating the cost of goods sold and determining the direct contribution of a product to revenue. Indirect plant expenses, also known as overheads, are costs that cannot be directly traced to specific products, but are necessary for the overall production process. Examples of indirect expenses includes overhead costs. It is general costs that are associated with running the plant, such as utilities, electricity, water, factory rent, and maintenance. Administrative costs, which is the costs of running the business that support the production process, such as office staff salaries, HR, legal, and accounting services. Depreciation, which is the gradual reduction in the value of plant equipment or machinery over time, as it is used in production. Factory supplies. These include items such as cleaning supplies, safety equipment, and other consumables that support the production process, but are not part of the final product. Indirect expenses are essential to maintaining the production environment, but are not tied to specific products. Net profit is the amount of money a company retains after subtracting all costs, both direct and indirect, from its total revenue. The formula for net profit is therefore total income minus a total of direct expenses and indirect expenses. Total income is the total revenue generated from the sale of goods or services produced by the plant. Direct expenses are the costs directly tied to production, such as materials, labor, etc. Indirect expenses, which are generally the costs necessary for plant operations, overhead, administrative costs, etc. Net profit is a crucial indicator of business health, showing how efficiently a company turns revenue into profit after covering its costs. The price data can be obtained from various sources, such as trade journals and publications. This is specialized magazines and reports that provide current data on material costs, labor rates, and industry trends. This includes engineering magazines, construction reports, manufacturing industry journals. Expert consultants who provide specific advice on cost estimations, market rates, and trends in a particular industry. Consultants often have access to proprietary data and tools for accurate pricing. Online brokers and marketplaces. Online platforms where suppliers list prices for raw materials, tools, and services. This includes Alibaba, Amazon Business, and specialized B2B marketplaces. Pricing can also be obtained from reference books. These are industry-specific handbooks and cost estimation books that provide historical pricing and cost trends. These include engineering cost estimation guides, materials pricing handbooks, company forecasts, which is internal company projections and pricing models based on historical data, market trends, and expected future costs. Accurate price data is essential for estimating production costs, determining profitability, and making informed decisions about product pricing. Accurate pricing. Data is important for cost efficiency. Accurate data helps identify the best prices for materials and services, minimizing unnecessary expenditures. It is also for a well-informed decision-making. Reliable price data allows managers to make informed decisions about procurement, budgeting, and production strategies. Profitability analysis. Without accurate price data, profit margins may be miscalculated, leading to underpricing or overpricing products. Impact on production includes cost control. Accurate cost data allows for better cost management and reduces the likelihood of unexpected financial challenges. Budget planning. Proper data assists in creating realistic budgets and ensures financial resources are allocated efficiently. Consequences of inaccurate data includes financial risks. Inaccurate data may lead to cost overruns, poor financial forecasting, and ultimately financial loss. Reputation damage. Consistently underestimating costs or overpricing products can harm the company's credibility and customer trust.